4-1, write an equation in slope-intercept form using a graph or points. Number 1, you're going to write an equation of each line with the given characteristics. Let's do A here. An equation of the line that we're going to write in is slope-intercept form, which is going to be considered as y equals the slope. I'm going to be using the color green and the letter M, the variable x plus a y-intercept, which is going to be a purple B. So here when it says slope equals to 7, we write M is equal to 7. When they say the y-intercept is 2, you write B is equal to 2. Now you need the formula for the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Here you go. That B here is going to be replaced with the number 2 like from before. And the 3 here is going to be replaced with the 7 that we were given. So there you go. That is this equation of y equals mx plus b. All right, B. Here we have the slope, so that is m equal to. Then we have passes through this point 0, negative 4. Notice that this is x is equal to 0, and this is when y is equal to negative 4. When x is equal to 0, this is considered to be the y-intercept. So we can write here, so the y-intercept, b, is equal to negative 4. That slope here, I forgot to write, but it says slope is equal to 1/3, so let's just write that 1/3. Here's the equation. We erase the m here and we substitute in that value of 1/3. That y-intercept, it is negative 4. And we're going to erase this, and that is how we write the equation. For A and B, the slopes were given and the y-intercepts was easily given here. All right. For C, here we have a table of values. And we need to write y equals mx plus b. So we need a slope and a y-intercept. So let's find the change here. This arrow represents the change. From negative 2 to 10, we're adding 12. Then from 0 to 4, we are adding 4. The slope, which is m, is defined by the change in your y divided by the change in the x. Okay, so we can write this as 12 is our change in our y, the plus 4 is our change in our x, and that is going to be equal to the value of just 3, or 3/1. Now we're trying to locate our y-intercept. Notice the y-intercept is right here because this is the point of 0, negative 2. This is when x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 2. This is the y-intercept at this point. Therefore, we can write the b value is equal to negative 2. Now we can just substitute it in here. The slope that we have, that we calculated from our chart, was 3. The y-intercept that we calculated was -2. All right, let's look at question D here. This equation of a line, we need to have y equals mx plus b. So again, let's find the slope. So m is equal to the change in the y. This is also going to be the vertical. So I can just write that as well, vertical. And the bottom is the change in the x, or which can just stand for the horizontal. All right, so let's calculate that. Here it's going in vertically, it's going 1, 2, it's minusing 2. And then let's see how much it goes in the horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. So here we can write the vertical is -2, the horizontal, which was 5. and that is going to be our slope. Next, we need to find the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept because this is the point in which it crosses the y-axis. So the b here is going to be -2. Now we can plug it into our equation. Let's substitute. So we're going to erase this green m. We're going to plug in that slope that we have, which is -2 over 5. And then the y-intercept, which is going to be our -2. There you go. That is how we write our equation of a line.